Hello everyone, I am Radhika and this is Amit.
Hello
and
everyone.
We are from Foodshala Foundation.
In today's session, we will tell you some good drinks you can make at home using fruits, some natural sugar, which is healthier.
That's great. So what are fruits, vegetables will we use today?
So today we are using my favorite fruit, which is watermelon. Next we are using is banana. And third one which we are using is cucumber.
So that sounds good. Should we start with our first recipe? Just give me a thumbs up if you want to start. Yes. Okay. So which one will we start?
So first we will do a demonstration. हम आप लोगों को choco banana lassi सिखाएंगे कैसे बनता है, and we will share a recipe with you so that you can try at home also. And then we will do our main workshop, जो हमने the watermelon mojito, and then the third will be cucumber lime chiller. So this order we will follow. Okay. So अब मैं ये जो रेसिपी आपको बता रहा हूँ, इसमें हम ना एक मेथड फॉलो करेंगे, and which the same method you can follow to experiment with this recipe. इसमें एक हमारा होगा main ingredient, जिसको हम अपना
to you. So these are all the ingredients. Maybe
एक एक करके
हम आपको दिखाएंगे. So we have
curd. So इसमें हमारा जो main ingredient है, that is curd. And see, curd जो होता है आपका, I just give you a little bit like a health benefit of curd. Curd में आपको काफी protein मिलता है, calcium मिलता है, and it is good for your bones, teeth. एंड कर्ड को हम मिल्क को फर्मेंट करके कर्ड बनाते हैं, तो इट हैज वेरी गुड बैक्टीरिया जो आपके गट के लिए काफी अच्छे होते हैं, आपके डाइजेशन में हेल्प करते हैं. सो इट इज वेरी हेल्दी कंपेयर टू मिल्क. सो अब पहले इस पे हमारे मेन इंग्रेडिएंट क्या, दैट इज कर्ड. अब इसके अंदर हम डालेंगे एक फ्रूट. So here, Radhika, which fruit we are using?
We are using banana today.
Yes.
And you know, banana तो हर season में आता है, so this is something you can enjoy any time.
And see, banana give you lot of energy, and it has again rich in your vitamins and minerals. So and it has fiber also, which is we need for a good digestion. So we'll put banana.
Banana को आप ऐसे बड़े-बड़े pieces में cut करके, you can just put these big pieces again in the same jar.
And banana में भी एक natural sugar होती है. So जो हम एक्स्ट्रा शुगर डालते हैं, we can cut down. We are using this banana. इसकी शुगर से भी मीठी होगी आपकी लस्सी. So this is our fruit. So first was our main ingredient, which was curd. Second is a fruit, which we have put a banana. Now तीसरा इसमें हम डालेंगे nuts and seeds. See, nuts and seeds आपके जितने भी होते हैं, they are very healthy for us, क्योंकि इनसे हमारे को again प्रोटीन मिलता है, and very good fat होता है nuts and seeds के अंदर. So हमें डेली अपनी डाइट के अंदर we should have a handful of nuts and maybe 2 teaspoon of seeds every day. So इस लस्सी के थ्रू we will put some nuts and seeds so that आपका कुछ दिन का कोटा होता है nuts and seeds का, we can fulfill something from it. So Radhika, इसमें हम लोग डालेंगे 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. हम इसमें chia seeds यूज कर रहे हैं. Is it visible? थोड़ा सा ऐसे कर दो.
Chia seeds.
आप लोगों ने chia seeds यूज किए घर पे कभी? चिया सीड में भी यू कैन यूज फ्लैक्स सीड्स, आप कोई सा भी सीड्स डाल सकते हो. उसमें मैंने 1 टीस्पून हमने चिया सीड डाली है. नाउ वी विल ऐड सम कैश्यूज, काजू डालेंगे इसमें. अब 1 टीस्पून इसमें यू कैन पुट 1 टीस्पून ऑफ कैश्यूज.
Yes. I am just putting some cashews here.
Okay. अब इसके बाद हम डालेंगे इसके अंदर एक फ्लेवर. Okay, to get a good drink, we need to have a good flavor in it. तो इसमें हमने बताया था चॉकलेट, सबको चॉकलेट पसंद है, तो we'll put a chocolate in this. So we will put 2 teaspoon. ये कोकोआ पाउडर है, unsweetened कोकोआ पाउडर. ये बेकिंग में यूज में आता है.
मार्केट में आपको मिलता है, इसमें पहले से कोई शुगर नहीं होती. So this is just जैसे केक्स में आप you might have used these unsweetened chocoa powder.
So we'll put 2 teaspoon.
So we will put 2 spoons of this.
एंड इसके अंदर हम थोड़ा सा डालेंगे 1/4 टीस्पून सिनेमन पाउडर. अगेन सिनेमन पाउडर बहुत ही अच्छा फ्लेवर देता है, किसी भी चीज पे आप डालो उसको. एंड यू कैन घर पे सिनेमन स्टिक होती है, उसको आप ग्रेट कर लो इफ यू डोंट हैव द पाउडर, एंड देन यू कैन यूज इट.
तो दालचीनी भी बोलते हैं.
हाँ, दालचीनी बोलते हैं. तो 1/4 लिटिल बिट. ओके, तो इसमें हमारे फ्लेवर्स भी चले गए. इसमें हमारे मेन इंग्रेडिएंट क्या है, फ्रूट गया है. Then we have put some nuts and seeds, flavor चले गए हैं. अब इसको हमें करना है, अच्छा इसमें we can put little bit of इसमें स्वीटनर भी डालना है हमारे को. यूजुअली घर में लोग व्हाइट शुगर डालते हैं, बट इसमें व्हाइट शुगर नहीं डाल रहे हैं. We will replace this with honey. We are putting some honey in it. So maybe a 2 teaspoon of honey would be sufficient.
And this you can avoid. It depends upon how sweet the fruit is. So you can decide about the amount of honey you want to put.
Okay. And so इसमें sweetener भी आ गया है. अब इसमें हम कुछ डालेंगे ice cubes. अब maybe 3-4 ice cubes.
Because it is summer and we want to have a cold drink. So
yes. Now the only thing remaining is to mixing of it. We'll grind it. So Radhika will grind this lassi for us. So yes, it is ready.
Let's see if this is ready.
Okay, so it's hot chocolate lassi is ready, and I'll pour this in a glass. Wow, this looks so yummy. And so now we will going to decorate our chocolate lassi.
बच्चों को सबसे अच्छा लगता है, to decorate the food. So we will also do that. We have taken some grated chocolate here. So हमने अमूल chocolate लिया और उसको ऐसे कद्दूकस कर दिया. So you can just sprinkle. अभी थोड़ा देर बाहर था, तो ये इसको फ्रिज में रख देना. थोड़ी देर बाहर था इसलिए सब मेल्ट हो गया.
So we'll put and we'll put some dry fruits in this.
We will put some more
cashews.
जो हमने पहले से क्रश कर रखा था इसको. So you can put these at.
And you can use walnuts भी आप डाल सकते हो. Walnut goes very good with chocolate. You can put cashews. So whatever nuts you want to put, you can mix everything, and it is ready. So yes, you will want to try it later. Yummy.
Yum. And as I said, you can increase the amount of honey if you want, but for me this is perfect right now. So I'm going to keep this aside.
Yes. So we are starting with our next recipe. So Radhika will tell us. Radhika, what is our next target now?
So the next target is what you've been waiting for, and I can see some of your ingredients in the background. So we have the watermelon mojito with us. So let us start.
Yeah, इसमें भी we will follow a same method. ठीक है, जो हमने पुरानी अपनी previous recipe में use किया था. So there is a main ingredient. Okay. So what is that main ingredient? What is this main ingredient? Watermelon. Okay. So आप लोगों के पास अब watermelon है, अपना दिखाओ मुझे एक अपना सब.
Just show us your watermelon.
Very good, very good.
All right.
So एक bowl लेंगे हम लोग सब अपना bowl रख लो एक आगे यहाँ पे. Nice. Now in this bowl we will put a watermelon. हमने पूरा एक कटोरी भर के लिया है watermelon. So you can like just put this inside. And you know, interesting fact, watermelon के अंदर 96% water होता है. It is 92% water होता है. It has a lot of fiber and it is rich in vitamins and minerals. So it is very good fruit you can have in summers.
Watermelon को I think watermelon इसलिए बोलते हैं because it has more than 90% water, right? So गर्मियों में we sweat, we lose water, we feel like having water again and again. So if you have watermelon, it keeps us hydrated, it gives us water to the body, and that is why it's a great fruit to have in summers.
Now, next thing. अच्छा, अब next क्या डालेंगे इसके अंदर हम? We'll put some flavors. Okay. So flavors में हम लोग डालेंगे mint. Let's put some mint leaves. Maybe 8 to 10 mint leaves इसमें डाल देते हैं.
Mint leaves or pudina. So let's.
पुदीना की पत्तियां इसके अंदर. We'll put mint leaves in this.
Maybe 7-8.
7-8 is sufficient.
Okay, so I put one more.
Great, great. Now next flavor we will put is of lemon. So maybe again you will put 4 to 5 lemon pieces.
अब next
डालेंगे black salt.
Okay, how much black?
So we will put half teaspoon of black salt. Now we will try to put some sweetener in this. Again, ये optional है sweetener in case you feel like कि watermelon is very sweet, we don't need a sweetener, तो कोई डालने की जरूरत नहीं है. But we'll put some honey because it give a good taste. So थोड़ा सा डालेंगे, maybe dash.
So the next step is very interesting.
Yes, what we will do in the next step.
So you have a presser, आपके पास कुछ. आपको basically इसका juice निकालना है.
Yes, this is the most exciting.
So you can see I am pressing it and इसका juice निकलने लगे हैं. So हमें अच्छे से.
So idea is कि सारे flavors को mix करना है अच्छे से. So we'll have to press it nicely.
So sometimes when we do this in a mixie, the flavors don't come out so naturally and so well. So that is why professionally when people make drinks, they muddle it with their hands.
May I also try? This looks very exciting step. I also want to do it. Ah, this is nice. And make sure कि अच्छे से नींबू को भी press करना है, mint को भी press करना है, so that it release their flavor.
So you can see अब इसमें काफी it's you can feel it's very liquidy right now. So maybe for another minute or half we can.
हाँ, जितना इसका हम juice extract कर सकते हैं, जितना liquid हो जाएगा उतना अच्छा है.
Because उतना आपको पीने को मिलेगा. Now, anyway, this is show you what the next step is. Yeah. So आपके पास छन्नी है. We have some strainer.
Okay, रंजावती, I think थोड़ा बड़ा strainer हो तो बहुत अच्छा है. इसमें I am not sure आपके पास हो जाएगा juice. The bigger one ना इसमें easily आपका juice pass हो जाएगा. Yeah, you have the right one, right strainer.
If you have a small one, it's okay. धीरे-धीरे you
can. Maybe.
Yeah, this one is better, Navika. But it's okay. Small one also we pour little थोड़ा करके. And take a bowl and keep the strainer on top of it, and then we will just pour it. So we have got quite a bit of juice. And then what you can do is, you can take some karchi kind of a thing and you can just
press it
a little bit. So all the juice will now come out a little more easily.
We are getting a lot of juice.
So were you guys able to get your juice out?
Are you guys getting juice?
Yeah, I can see some. Kushali.
Yes, Kushali. Yes, very good. Ranjavati, yes, you also got some juice. Good one. It's good one. Ranjavati का भी काफी juice है. Great.
Yeah, Ranja, that's a lot of juice. I think your family is going to be really happy today, sharing that juice with you.
So everybody has got a lot of juice, which is really great. Now it's time.
Now is the fun time to assemble our drink.
So, okay.
So अब आपके पास जितना भी juice है, just it's okay. Let's leave the rest. छन्नी को हटा दो. Just take that bowl of juice and take a glass.
So first we'll assemble. Put some. अपना glass लेंगे पहले हम लोग सब. So इसके अंदर we'll put some watermelon pieces. 3-4 watermelon pieces. And ये छोटे-छोटे pieces डालें ना, not big pieces, छोटे pieces डालें इसके अंदर.
If you had saved some pieces for assembly, then you can just put it. अगर by chance हमने सारे juice निकाल दिए तो.
Okay. Now we will put some lemon pieces, or maybe 1 or 2. और ये भी हमने ना छोटे काट रखे थे lemon pieces ऐसे छोटे-छोटे डाल रखे ये. So we'll put this in our glass. Okay. Now next thing is our mint leaves.
Put some mint leaves again.
I think yeah.
More flavor.
Yeah.
Right?
So in our glass we have put watermelon, there is lemon, and then there is a mint leaves. Now we'll put some ice cubes also, 3-4 ice cubes. Nice. Maybe one more. Yeah, it's fine, Shravan. See, we have put ice cubes. Yeah. Now. So we are putting our juice now, okay? Yes, little more. Yes, leave some space. Okay, so our juice is there in the glass. और हमने इसके ऊपर थोड़ी space छोड़ी है. Nice.
What will we add in that space? Anyone wants to guess? अभी क्या बचा है ingredients में?
अभी अपना एक ingredient और बचा है ना?
मुझे taste है.
We'll put this club soda. This is a carbonated water and it gives you a good fizz. ऐसे भी इस juice को पी सकते हैं, but to make it more bubbly and more attractive, तो इसमें हम थोड़ा सा ये club soda डालेंगे. So we'll put.
This is again non-sugar soda, the regular soda that we get.
Wow. Give good fizz. Nice.
bubbles at the top, and maybe just give it a very quick stir so that the soda and the juice.
Everything mixes.
And then you can, decorate it
Yes.
any way you want. So we put a piece of watermelon over here. So if your drink is ready, give it a try.
So I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. So we move to our last drink. So हमने ये जो method use किया watermelon के लिए, same we will use for cucumber, but इसमें हमने flavors change किए हैं. So the same method. So first is our main ingredient, which is cucumber. Again, cucumber is a summer vegetable. It is it has a lot of water content. Around 96% water is there. It is again rich in vitamins and minerals and a lot of fiber. So it's very healthy. So हम पहले अपने main ingredient को jar में डालेंगे. हाँ. Now we will put some flavor in this. So इसमें हम डालेंगे अपना lemon juice. Maybe 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. इसमें हमने lemon के pieces नहीं डाले हैं because इसको हम मिक्सी में churn कर रहे हैं. Lemon के pieces डालेंगे तो वो कड़वा हो जाएगा पूरा आपका ये juice. So we'll put a 1 teaspoon of lemon juice in this. Okay. After this, we will put 7 to 8 mint leaves. Mint leaves डाल देंगे इसके अंदर. Good. अच्छा, इसको हम थोड़ा फ्लेवर करेंगे इंडियन फ्लेवर्स के साथ. एंड इंडियन फ्लेवर्स में आपका जीरा पाउडर हो गया, क्यूमिन पाउडर, तो वो डालेंगे हम. सो वी विल पुट 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Yeah, 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Yes. Now we will put 1 teaspoon of black salt. So yeah, 1 teaspoon of black salt.
Black salt जो हमने पहले भी डाला था.
And we will put a half teaspoon of chaat masala. Chaat masala. And now we will put some ice cube, maybe 5-6 ice cubes we will put in this. And yeah, and we'll put some sweetener also. Okay, we'll make it salty and little sweet flavor. So we'll put some sweetener also, honey. Again, we are using honey, no refined sugar.
You can use powdered brown.
You can use brown sugar अगर honey नहीं है. Maybe you can use yes. Jaggery powder is also there. Cane sugar is there. So use anything which is brown and natural. Okay. So all these ingredients are now in the jar. We'll again give it a good grind. So Radhika will help me with the grinding. Okay. So now again, same method we will follow. We'll take a glass. We'll assemble everything together. Now in this, first we will put pieces of cucumber, small pieces of cucumber. Nice. We'll put
small cubes of cucumber.
Small pieces of cucumber. Now we'll put some mint leaves in it. Nice. We'll put lemon pieces. Maybe you have 2 pieces of lemon.
So again, use the circular pieces.
Okay. So now we'll put our juice in this. Acha, isko strain plus let's strain it first. We'll strain so that we get this juice out. और इसमें भी आपको बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ेगी because we have grinded everything. Strain it nicely. Okay, now this our juice is here. इस ग्लास के अंदर इस जूस को हम लोग डालेंगे अपना.
Again, we will leave some space, like half finger type का space, but at the top.
Now we will add some soda in this. Wow, nice.
It's a very interesting green color.
It's a lovely color, and I now we'll decorate this with again same thing, lemon and your cucumber.
Going to put 2 lemon slices
and we'll maybe put cucumber, and जैसे आपको decorate करना, you can decorate this. So yeah.
So this is called cucumber summer chiller, and you can see it's actually got a very beach look to it.
Nice. Good flavors and a sweet and salty combination, savory combination. It's really good.